Are you a professional tarot reader or psychic reader and want to gain more confidence giving career readings and life purpose readings to your clients? Do you want to be a professional reader and want to get more accuracy when it comes to giving life purpose readings and career readings? Are you currently experiencing struggles or difficulties in your own career or problems connecting with your own life purpose and want to know how to use the cards to get more spiritual wisdom to improve your life? This course will give you everything you need to know about how to read more confidently when you are offering career readings and life purpose readings. It's perfect if you're a professional reader, if you want to be a professional reader, or you simply want to know how to connect more with your perfect career path or how to connect more with your life purpose. Hi, I'm Sal Jade and I'm a professional clairvoyant healer and a best-selling psychic healing instructor. And for the past 12 years, I've been blessed enough to have helped thousands of my students discover how to read tarot cards, oracle cards, and how to connect more with their guides and angels. I've also helped many thousands of my own clients discover what the best career path is for them and how to connect more with their life purpose. In this course, you're going to be exploring some of the more basic questions as well as going up to the more advanced and complex questions that you can get asked as a reader. These include things like, should I leave this job? When will I get a new job? Should I change careers? Should I start a business? How can I get more success in my career, or how can I get more success in my business? What is my dream job? And what is my life purpose? And how can I choose between 3 or 4 different jobs if you're considering multiple jobs or multiple career options? This course will also focus on how to explore situations where your clients come to you and they're currently in toxic work environments or conflict resolution situations with a colleague or a boss who may be bullying them. And you'll discover how to build more rapport with your clients so that you can offer compassionate, non-judgmental readings that are going to be accurate and for their highest good. There's going to be dozens of real-life samples where you'll see exactly how I answer these kind of questions, and you'll have plenty of opportunities to practice the practical activities to rapidly improve your own abilities in gaining confidence and accuracy, giving career readings and life purpose readings. So if you are serious about improving your ability to give career readings and life purpose readings, sign up today.